Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for yesterday's US session, and we're going to start with the S&P. So it was for Monday the 18th of July. So we said that aggressive support on the S&P was at 38.64 to 72, and if we saw sustained breaks below there, we could see moves to 38.29 to 38.35. So let's go and have a look at the action. Okay, so as you can see, we didn't get up to that resistance zone that we had mentioned in the report. So our focus was on the aggressive support down here at 38.64 to 72. We came down quite impulsively. We were holding that 8 EMA, so nothing on that as a reversal. When we see those strong impulsive moves, we want to move to higher time frames, and as you can see from the higher time frames here, we just pushed straight on through it. So no reversals there from that zone. We then pushed down and we had a nice continuation pattern here. So the impulsive push through, continuation, and that actually we also had another impulsive push through, continuation here on the S&P as well. So from this zone to target down towards that 38.29 to 38.35 zone. So a couple of really nice opportunities there to get short to target 29 to 35 zone there on the S&P. Later on in the session, it was in the evening here in Europe and in the UK. But nevertheless, some nice opportunities there. So now let's go and have a look at the Dow. Okay, so we said aggressive support was at 31,340 to 31,390, and if we got a sustained break with momentum below 31,220 to 31,270, we can look to use this zone for sells on a retest. So let's go and have a look at the Dow yesterday. Okay, so on the Dow, you can see we came down into this, again, this all happened sort of later on in the second half of the session. Come down into this aggressive support zone. Nothing there in the way of reversals to get long. It just came down and consolidated in there. So we got the push down. We wanted to see, to start shorting though, we wanted to see breaks below here and then retest. So although we had a continuation pattern here, this is not really valid for me. Although it was below that aggressive support zone, I wanted to see the clearance of this zone before we started getting short. So we got the clearance down here, got the acceptance below here, and then got a retest here. So we got one continuation here and then another one over here. So those were your opportunities to get short, and then you would have been looking to manage the trade as we moved into the close of the session in this zone here. So the ones on the S&P were much better, much cleaner, much clearer, probably better risk to reward, but the Dow offered an opportunity here as well once we cleared that zone. Like I say, this one is a continuation pattern, and probably actually better than this second one here. This first one's quite a good, strong continuation pattern as well. This one's a really nice textbook one in terms of the actual pattern itself. But when you tie it into the context, and this is what the reports are for, it wasn't really valid because we wanted to see the clearance of this zone before we got short. So although this one looks really nice, it's not one that I think was of high probability, so therefore I wanted to wait for the clearance of that. So I hope you find this useful. Hope you can realise how the context from the report can actually help you with your trading decisions as well, making sure that you take the best setups. As always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let me know what you think in that comments box. Come join the Keyzone service as well. The link is in the box below on our YouTube channel, and come and join the Keyzone Traders community. It's really vital to have a community around you. You get to talk to other people who are using these reports as well. So yeah, hope you're having a great week, and I'll speak to you again soon. Cheers.